Sprinkling herbs, a flavorful journey. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a flavorful aspect of cooking that also enriches our language. The phrase, sprinkle some herbs. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or someone keen on expanding your English vocabulary, understanding this phrase will add a dash of flavor to both your dishes and your conversations. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the subtle nuances that make it so special in the English language. Sprinkle some herbs is a common instruction found in recipes and cooking shows. But what does it really mean? To sprinkle means to scatter or distribute small particles of a substance lightly over a surface. And herbs refer to plants with savory or aromatic properties that are used for flavoring and garnishing food, rather than for their medicinal or nutritional value. Common herbs include basil, parsley, thyme, and rosemary. When combined, the phrase encourages adding a light touch of these flavor enhancers to a dish. Sprinkling is more than just a random act. It's a technique. The goal is to evenly distribute the herbs over your dish to ensure that every bite is infused with flavor. It's about control and finesse, using your fingers or a special tool like a shaker. This method is especially important with potent herbs, where too much can overwhelm the dish. The phrase, sprinkle some herbs, encapsulates this delicate balance. This phrase also carries cultural significance. It reflects the importance of herbs in culinary traditions around the world, highlighting the global love for enhancing food with natural flavors. Linguistically, it showcases the descriptive nature of English, where action and specificity combine to convey clear, vivid instructions in cooking and beyond. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of the phrase, sprinkle some herbs, and its significance in both language and cooking. Remember, it's not just about adding flavor to your food, but also about adding a dash of linguistic spice to your English vocabulary. Happy cooking, and more importantly, happy learning. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your horizons.